So right now I'm just cutting the pieces into little strips so it's easy to fry. And after that, I'm going to tenderize it. Now that I'm done cutting the chicken and beating it, I'm gonna transfer it into a bowl and we're gonna move stations. Okay, so I'm just gonna put different seasonings that I feel like would be good for it. I'm gonna start off with salt. And I'm just gonna eye it because they weren't specific enough in the recipe. So I'm gonna put a little bit because I have a lot of seasonings. I'll put cayenne pepper because I want it spicy, obviously. Okay, I think that's good. Lemon pepper. Oh my. Okay. I think I put a little bit too much. It's gonna be some lemon pepper. Oh my god. Put way too much. I'm gonna go pour it out. A little bit too much, but it's alright. I'm gonna put chili powder to cover it up. Oh my. It's okay. It's okay. What is this? Put in garlic. Something like that. I'm gonna try some of that. Okay. I'm gonna put a little bit because it smells okay. Never mind. They're not gonna go on it. Put lemon, butter, garlic. A little bit of that. Oh my god. I'm sorry, y'all. Paprika. I'm gonna put some buffalo sauce into my mixture. Extra flavor. We're gonna mix. I'm gonna use this to mix everything up. Nice and mixed. Sure, it's all coated. That's how it's looking. Okay, here we go. Now we're gonna put some milk. It says enough to cover like everything. I think that's enough. Okay, so it's looking like this. I'm gonna put some lemon in it and then I'll let it sit in the fridge overnight and we'll come back tomorrow to fry it and do all that special stuff. Okay, that's it. I'll be back tomorrow to check on them. I'm gonna pour the flour now. Now I'm gonna add some cornstarch. I'm gonna add Cajun powder. Paprika now. Now we're gonna add some chili powder. And finally we're gonna add some lemon pepper garlic. Now we're gonna mix it well. As I'm doing the breading of the chicken, I'm going to add oil to a pan so I can fry it. And it has to get to 350 degrees. Second one going in.